In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install SHEIN Shopping app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are getting this error or any other related error to this while trying to install your SHEIN Shopping app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, first you need to go back and open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before installing your app. However, if you're already logged in but you are unable to install the app, then go to your profile icon here, and from this look for this option settings. Under settings, look for this second option network preferences, and here go to app download preference. Change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Turn on your data or Wi-Fi, and now you should be able to download and install SHEIN Shopping app. However, at this point, if you're still unable, then you want to check and ensure that you're not using any VPN or any recently installed security app that might be blocking installation of apps on your phone, and install them to see if this fixes your problem. However, if this does not work, then most likely the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. To fix this, you need to go to settings and then go to apps. Now under apps, look for this option manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store like that, and now if you tap on it, first you want to go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally okay. Then restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Google Play Store app, activate search and search for your app. So I'll search for SHEIN, and now if I run my search, we have our app here. I'll tap on it and install. At this point, now everything should be okay, and as you can see, I'm now able to download and install SHEIN online shopping app. However, if you still have a challenge at this point, then check and then see that you have enough space. If you don't, delete unnecessary or unwanted files or apps that you no longer use on your phone to create more space. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.